Tom, did you find a good hotel for our weekend trip?
I am looking at a few options on this website.
We need a place that is close to the city center.
This Grand Vista Hotel has very positive reviews from guests.
Does it have a quiet room with a nice view?
The description says they offer rooms facing the old park.
That sounds perfect for a relaxing Saturday morning.
I will call them to check the availability for Friday.
Ask them if breakfast is included in the total price.
Good point. I prefer having coffee at the hotel.
Hello? I want to book a double room.
Tell them we are arriving late in the evening.
Is there a parking space available for our small car?
The website mentions a private garage for all visitors.
The receptionist says they have one last room available.
We should take it before someone else books it online.
Do we need to pay a deposit right away?
Usually they just need a credit card for the guarantee.
I am giving them my details over the phone.
Make sure the room has a working air conditioner.
Yes, it is a standard feature in all their rooms.
Is the price within our planned vacation budget?
It is 80 euros per night, which is very reasonable.
Excellent. That leaves us money for nice dinners.
I just received the confirmation email in my inbox.
Check the check-in and check-out times for us.
We can enter the room at 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
I'm getting excited about this little adventure, Sophie.
Me too. I really need a break from my lessons.
I will start packing my backpack tonight. Here we are. The lobby looks very elegant and clean.
The smell of fresh lilies in the vase is lovely.
Good evening. We have a reservation under the name Tom.
I have the printed confirmation right here in my bag.
The travel from the station was a bit tiring.
I am looking forward to a soft bed and a pillow.
Can we see the menu for the hotel restaurant?
I think it is already closed for the night, Tom.
That is fine. We can find a snack in the minibar.
The receptionist is checking our passports at the moment.
Do we need to sign any special documents today?
Just this registration form with our home address.
Is the Wi-Fi password the same for every guest?
It is written on the back of this plastic keycard.
Vista 2026. That is very easy to remember.
Our room is on the 4th floor, number 412.
Is there an elevator or do we use the stairs?
The elevator is just behind that big gold statue.
I will carry the heavy suitcase for you, Sophie.
Thank you. You are a very kind gentleman.
What time do they serve breakfast in the morning?
From 7 until 10:30 in the main hall.
I hope they have fresh croissants and fruit.
I'm sure a hotel like this has great food.
Let's go up and see our temporary home.
I hope the view is as good as the photos.
The elevator is coming down to the ground floor.
My feet are really tired after all the walking.
Soon we will be relaxing in our quiet room.
Push the button for the 4th floor, please.
Write a comment. 3 best comments get 20 English lessons completely free.
This is room 412. Let's open the door.
Wait, something is not right in this room.
There are 2 separate single beds here, Sophie.
But we specifically asked for one large double bed.
You're right. I have the request in the email.
The room is also facing the street, not the park.
The noise from the cars is quite loud even now.
I cannot sleep well with so much traffic noise.
Let me check the reservation details one more time.
Maybe they gave us the wrong key at the desk.
The receipt says standard twin, but we paid for deluxe.
That is a significant difference in price and comfort.
I'm going back down to talk to the manager.
I'll stay here with the luggage and wait.
Don't worry, I will solve this problem quickly.
Tell them we are very disappointed with this room.
I will be polite but firm about our original choice.
I'll check if the bathroom is at least clean.
The towels look a bit old and thin too.
This is definitely not the deluxe experience.
I am leaving the room to find the receptionist.
Good luck. I hope they have another room free.
If not, we might have to find another hotel.
I hope it doesn't come to that. It's late.
I see the elevator door opening in the hallway.
I will try to call the reception from this phone.
That is a good idea. It might be faster.
Hello? There's a mistake with our room.
I'm already at the elevator. See you soon.
They're asking us to come down together.
The manager is very sorry about the confusion.
He says there was a system error this afternoon.
They are upgrading us to the junior suite for free.
That is a very generous offer for the mistake.
This new room is on the top floor of the building.
Does it have the view of the park we wanted?
It has a panoramic view of the park and the lake.
That sounds like a dream come true, Tom.
Here is the new key card for room 705.
I'm glad we didn't just accept the first room.
It is always important to speak up for yourself.
The manager also gave us 2 coupons for free drinks.
We can have a glass of juice at the rooftop bar.
Let's move our bags to the 7th floor.
This elevator feels much faster than the last one.
The hallway here is much wider and more beautiful.
I think this part of the hotel is brand new.
Room 705 is at the very end of the corridor.
Open the door. I want to see the interior.
Oh my, this room is absolutely enormous.
The bed is huge and looks extremely comfortable.
There's even a small sofa and a coffee table.
Look at the window. The view is spectacular.
I can see the moon reflecting in the lake water.
This is much better than the standard twin room.
Thank you for talking to the manager, Tom.
It was worth the extra effort for this comfort.
I'll put my clothes in this large wooden wardrobe.
I'm going to try the coffee machine over there.
Finally, our vacation can truly begin. Good morning. The sun is shining right into the room.
I slept so well on this comfortable mattress.
The park looks even more beautiful in the daylight.
Let's have our breakfast on the balcony today.
I didn't know we could order food to the room.
I saw the room service menu on the bedside cable.
I would love some scrambled eggs and orange juice.
I am calling the kitchen to place our order.
Ask them for some extra honey for my tea.
They say the food will arrive in 15 minutes.
I'm going to step out onto the balcony.
The air is so fresh and smells like cut grass.
There are people jogging on the paths in the park.
I prefer sitting here and relaxing with you.
This is the most peaceful morning of the year.
I'm glad we chose this city for our weekend.
There's a knock at the door. Our breakfast is here.
I'll open it. The smell of bacon is amazing.
The waiter is putting everything on the table.
Everything looks so delicious and well presented.
These croissants are still warm from the oven.
Thank you. Here's a small tip for your service.
Let's enjoy this feast with this amazing view.
What is the plan for our first day in the city?
I want to visit the old museum and the cathedral.
I heard there's a local market nearby too.
We can buy some handmade souvenirs for our friends.
But first, I'm going to have another cup of tea.
This room was a lucky find despite the trouble.
It turned out to be a perfect choice for us. Our weekend went by so quickly, didn't it?
I don't want to leave this beautiful suite.
We have many great memories and photos now.
I am packing the last of my things into the bag.
Did you check the bathroom for any forgotten items?
I almost left my hairbrush on the shelf.
I have my charger and my laptop in my backpack.
The room looks almost empty once again.
We should leave the key cards on the reception desk.
I'll write a quick positive review in the guest book.
Mention the manager who helped us with the room.
Excellent service and a wonderful view from room 705.
The elevator is waiting for us in the hallway.
Goodbye, beautiful room. I will miss you.
We are back in the lobby. It's quite busy today.
Many new guests are arriving for the next week.
Good morning. We would like to check out, please.
Can you tell us the final balance for the room?
The room service breakfast is the only extra charge.
The upgrade was indeed free of charge, as promised.
I am paying the bill with my credit card now.
Is there a place where we can leave our bags?
Our train doesn't leave for another 3 hours.
The porter says we can use the luggage room.
That is very convenient for our last walk.
Here is the receipt for our stay, Tom.
Keep it safe in your wallet just in case.
Thank you for everything. Have a nice day.
We are officially tourists for a few more hours.
Let's go and get one last Italian gelato.